Hi everyone, I am Ankita Majumdar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you class 7th SST Geography Chapter 8 Human Environment Interactions, the tropical and the subtropical region. So students, let's start. Life in the Amazon basin. Let us look at the map 8.2 before learning about the Amazon basin. Notice that the tropical region lies very close to the equator. It is between 10° and north and 10° south. So it is referred to as the equatorial region. Through this region, the river Amazon flows. Notice how it flows from the mountain to the west and reaches the Atlantic Ocean to the east. The place where a river flows into another body of water is called the river's mouth. Numerous tributaries join the Amazon River to form the Amazon basin. The river basin drains portions of Brazil, parts of Peru, Colombia, Bolivia, Ecuador, and a small part of Venezuela. Name the countries of the basin through which the equator passes. First, we will see climate. The Amazon basin stretches directly on the equator and is characterized by hot and wet climate throughout the year. Both day and nights are almost equally humid and hot. The skin feels sticky. It rains almost every day. That too without much warning. The day temperatures are high and very high humidity. The temperature goes down at night but the humidity remains high. Second, we see rainforest. As it rains heavily, thick forest grows in this region. The forests are in fact so thick that the dense roof created by leaves and branches does not allow the sunlight to reach the ground. The ground of this forest remain dark and damp. Only shade tolerant vegetation may grow here. Orchids, bromelates grow as plant parasites. The rainforest is rich in fauna. Birds like toucans, hummingbirds, birds of paradise, okay, different types of coloring birds, okay, different color birds. These birds also make loud sounds in the forest. Animals such as monkeys, sloth, and ant eating tapirs are found here. Various species of snakes, reptiles also thrive in this jungle. Crocodile, snakes, python, okay, anaconda, and boa, okay, like that type of species. Besides, the basin is home to thousands of insects and species. Various species of fishes including the flesh-eating piranha fish is also found in the river. This basin is thus extraordinarily rich in the variety of life found there. People of the rainforest. After clearing some trees in the forest, people grow most of their food in small areas, while men hunt and fish along the rivers. Women take care of the crops. They mainly grow sweet potatoes, pineapple, and tapioca. As fishing and hunting are uncertain, it is the women who keep their families alive by feeding them the vegetables they grow. They practice slash and burn agriculture. The staple food is meonic, also known as cassava, that grows under the ground like the potato. They also eat egg sacs and queen ants. Cash crops are also grown, such as maize, cocoa, and coffee. The rainforest provide a lot of wood for the Houses. Some families live in thatched houses. These houses are shaped like beehives. There are other large apartment like houses called maloka with a steeply slanting roof. In Amazon basin, the life of the people is slowly changing. In the early days, the heart of the forest could be reached only by navigating the river. In 1970, the Trans Amazon Highway made all parts of the rainforest accessible. Aircrafts and helicopters are also used for reaching different places. The population was pushed out over the area and forced to settle in new regions where they continued to practice their distinctive way of farming. The activities of development are learning to the gradual destruction of the biological diverse rainforest. It is estimated that a large area of the rainforest has been disappearing annually. You can see the diagram so that you can understand that gradually destruction of forest. Next is life in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The Ganga Brahmaputra basin in the Indian subcontinent is formed by the tributaries of river Ganga and Brahmaputra. The basin lies in the subtropical region. It is situated between 10° north to 30° north latitude. The tributaries of the river Ganga, like the Ghagra, the Son, the Chambal, and the Gandak, the Kosi, and the tributaries of Brahmaputra drain it. Okay, you can see the atlas and you can understand it how it is. Okay, Himalayas and the Sundarban Delta, Oxbow Lakes dot the plain area. The area is dominated by monsoon climate. The monsoon brings rains in this basin from mid-June to mid-September. The summers are hot and the winters are cool. The basin area has varied topography. In the distribution of the population, the environment plays a dominant role. The mountain areas with steep slopes have inhospitable terrain. Therefore, less number of people live in the mountain areas of Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The most suitable land for human habitation is provided by the plain area. The soil is fertile. The main occupation of the people is agriculture, where flat land is available to grow crops. The density of population is very high in the plains. The main crop is paddy. Since cultivation of paddy requires sufficient water, it is grown in the areas where the amount of rainfall is high. The other crops that are grown are wheat, maize, gram, and millets. Cash crops are also grown, such as sugarcane and jute. Banana plantations are seen in some areas of the plain. Tea is grown in plantation in West Bengal and Assam. Silk is produced through the cultivation of silkworm in parts of Bihar and Assam. In the mountains and hills where the slopes are gentle, crops are grown on terraces. The vegetation covered of the area varies according to the type of landforms. Tropical deciduous trees grown in the Ganga and Brahmaputra plain along with teak, sal and peepal. Thick bamboo groves are common in the Brahmaputra plain. The delta area is covered with the mangrove forest. Coniferous trees like pine, deodar, and fir can be seen in part of Uttaranchal, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. Because the climate is cool and the slopes are steep. In the basin, there is a variety of wildlife. Elephant, tigers, deer, and monkeys are common. The one horned rhinoceros is found in the Brahmaputra plain. Bengal tiger, crocodiles, and alligators are found in the delta area. Aquatic life abounds in the fresh river water, the lakes, and the Bay of Bengal Sea. The most popular varieties of the fish are the rohu, katla, and hilsa. Rice and fish is the staple diet of the people living in this region. There are several big towns and cities in Ganga Brahmaputra plain. The cities with the population of more than 10 lakhs are situated along the river Ganga such as Kanpur, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna, Lucknow and Kolkata. The wastewater from these towns and industries is discharged into the rivers. This leads to the pollution of the rivers. Okay, in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin, all the four ways of transport are well developed. In the plain areas, the railways and roadways transport the people from one place to another place. The waterways is an effective means of transport, particularly along the rivers. Kolkata is an important port on the river Hooghly. The plain areas also has a large number of airports. Another important activity of the basin is tourism. Allahabad on the confluence of the river Ganga and Yamuna. Taj Mahal on the bank of river Yamuna in Agra, Buddhist stupa in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow with its Imambara, Assam with Kaziranga and Manas with wildlife sanctuary, and Arunachal Pradesh with a distinct tribal culture and some of the places worth a visit. So understood students, here we have seen the life in the Amazon basin, the different types of climate, different types of rainforest. Okay, people in the rainforest. We have seen the life of Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Okay, so like that we have studied and we have completed chapter 8. Next chapter I will explain in my next video. Okay, and your homework will be you have to uh, write the question and answer in a neat and clean handwriting. I will send the PDF. That is your homework. Complete your notes nicely, okay, and learn nicely. Thank you.